back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be working with a bank, more specifically a credit union, processing a chargeback. So it is in the financial field. Now, I can't tell from the actual job description. A lot of it sounds like most of it is going to be non-phone. We're going to dive all into it though. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up like button and share with anyone, share with your friends and family if you know anybody who could benefit from this. But the company is PSCU. They have 853 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a case management representative. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States, but basically they're looking for somebody to process incoming fraud and non-fraud disputes within the PSCU dispute platform. And so this is what kind of makes me think this is going to be non-phone or mostly non-phone, is I'm wondering if you're online on the online platform, like in your online banking or in your banking app, you can just go to that transaction that's showing up on your card or in your account and hit dispute and enter your information from there. And when they say dispute platform, that is what that makes me think of. But again, I don't work for any of these companies. That is just my mind interpreting this. So you'll have to ask them at the time of the interview if any phone work is going to be involved. But what you're going to be doing is processing those chargeback or disputed accounts and transactions, handling all of those dispute inquiries. You'll provide supporting documentation in various systems while trying to minimize risk or loss of money to the company. You're going to be reviewing electronic documentation produced by various sources to code these transactions as either fraud or non-fraud within the processing platform. You'll review, research, and initiate the resolution of these disputed inquiries from cardholders and credit union merchants and any internal departments, just handling all aspects of that dispute process in compliance, of course, with Visa and MasterCard guidelines, also federal and state rules and regulations. Now, as far as notifying the members once the dispute process is complete, what the outcome is, you're going to send written communication to the members and credit union to provide case status or if you need additional information to get that from them. So it does really sound completely non-phone. Best part about this is they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They prefer college degrees, but it's not required. You do have to have 1 year of customer service experience, and they do prefer somebody who has experience working in payments or general knowledge of payments like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, processing, and how they do their processing. Other than that, they need somebody who can work both independently and as a team, have great communication skills, and be a multitasker. If this does sound like something you're interested in, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but pay is anywhere from $31,800 a year all the way up to $47,700 a year. Now, $47,000 a year is going to be about $903 a week. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and make note of that when I am out there searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.